Good morning and welcome to the garden. I'm really excited because we will start to plan a brand new layout today, right now, here in this garden. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the basic idea. We will have a single track which will come right out of these bushes, and it will loop around something like that. And at this point we will be starting our station area, and the station area will go through these bushes, which we will remove of course, and will be extended right to the property line at this tree. So that's the area we are dealing with. Alright, to do a proper planning we will need to determine the height difference of this area. So I brought out the laser level and we will start to measure the height difference. Now all the prep work is done. I've laid out the tape measure all the way from the front to the back of the area. I have set up the laser level, which you can see on the left upper corner in the screen. And now I will show you the receiver. This is the receiver, which is mounted on a measuring pole, and I can read the scale right here and determine the height. Since the area of concern is mostly level from left to right, I won't worry about that. My intention is to measure the gradient all the way from the front to the back of the area. And I will do that by measuring the height every meter along this measuring tape. And I will note all the measurings on this sheet I made, so I can get a height profile of this area at the end of the day. Okay, now I need to change the position of the laser level, because to measure correctly you have to be in line of sight between the laser level and the receiver. And as you remember, I told you earlier, the track will loop around here, go this way, and then we will loop around these bushes and go between the walkway and the corner of the building in that direction. So I need to measure this part especially because it won't show up on camera, but it's very steep and I need to have the gradient on that to plan correctly. Okay, that should take care of all the measuring. Let's go to the drawing board in the office. So, after a few minutes in the office, I established a data sheet. This data sheet is supposed to show the elevation changes throughout the area which I have to work with when I plan my layout. So here you can see basically the measuring tape, which was laying on the ground in the garden earlier on. It goes from 0 to 20 meters. On this upper scale you can see the elevation change. I started at the highest point, which was the property line. This is my 0 mark, and from this point on the elevation changed, let's say downhill. So I have -3 centimeters, and at the 10 meters mark I'm for example at -26 centimeters. Here you can see the station area, which in my imagination is about 10 meters in length. And now, since I want my station area level, I now know that I have to dig down 26 centimeters at the upper point to get it level. Another interesting point is this pathway, which is along the building, and this is a fixed benchmark. I'm not able to move this pathway up or down or even remove it. That's no possibility. So I have this benchmark at -82 centimeters, and I have to work a gradient from this point to this point to cover the height difference. Okay, that wraps up this video. Since I now have all relevant information, I can sit down in my office and start planning the new layout and station area. So that will be a little bit of fun for me, and we will see us in the next video when I do something else. So see you, bye!